Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video let's learn about formatting and how to style the characters in different font styles and how to color them and how to give an underline or how to make them italic, also all those things, and how to align the set of characters and how to work on numbers. So let's jump into our video. So regarding the font style, we have an option here, a drop down where we have a list of font themes. So these are the font themes we have. If we select one of the theme, let's say Arial. So as you can see, the font has changed. For example, we have another type. We can select Times New Roman. So the font has been changed based on our preference. So what preference we need, the font style will change. So this is how we are changing the style of the cell. So if we want to do some kind of presentation and if we want to do a differentiation between some kind of two different names, then we can use this font style to style our font. So next we have an option called, and what we can do, we can different the size. So here we have a manual option, like we can select the number. If we select as 12, 13, 18, and the largest is the 48. So as you can see, the cell got bigger, the font size got bigger. So how we can, another option like decrease the font size and increase the font size by clicking this button. So if we decrease the font size, it will get decreased. If you want to increase the font size, it will get increased. By using this drop down also, we can change the font size. So that is how we are changing the font size. And after that, below we have a option called B, which is a bold. So which makes the letter bold. It will show the letter little bit enhancement. So we have a shortcut key called as Control B, where it can be bold. And similarly, if we want to do undo, we can again give Control B, or Control Z will also work on the same way. Next one is italic. So italic is, if you give the italic button, the name will move or name will change into an italic style. So we have the shortcut key called Control I, which makes the letter italic. And the same way, again, if we press the Control I, it will undo the changes. So that is for italic, and we have underline. So once you click on this underline, the name will get underlined. And if you again click on that option, it will remove that underline. The shortcut key is for is Control plus U. So you can have that options. And another one is a bucket color. So it is a color filler. So we can fill the cell using that color. If I drop down, we have multiple colors. So I'm selecting an yellow color. So once you click on that bucket, it will automatically select the colors. So this is for a letters to change. So that will the color fill will helps you to fill the entire cell. But this option will help you to color the letters which we have selected. So let's say if I have selected this letter and see the letter got highlighted with a red color. So if you don't want to highlight it that, again you can change it to the black color. Similarly, if you don't want to fill the color with the yellow, you can give the no fill option. So if you give no fill option, the colors will be removed. So this is how, these are the options available under font. So that's it for the font group. Next, we'll move on to the alignment. So alignment, we have a different options in the alignment. So we have wrap text, we have merge and central, and we have lots of top alignment, middle alignment, bottom alignment, and left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and we have intent option as well. So let's see how they are works one by one. So first, let's go on to the wrap text. So here in you can see the now the cell contains a letter called name. If I this name is a person, see the letter went inside to the another cell. That is, the length of the letters is not matching with the column width. Hence, it has moved inside. So, by using the wrap text, the column width will not change, but the row height will change. So, let's observe here. Once I click the wrap text option, see the column width haven't changed, but the row height has changed. So this is the difference it will happen. If you want to undo it, again click on the same option, it will undo it. And next one is merge and center. So how to merge the cell? Now I'm merging all the four cells. So I'm merge and center. The option name is a person, merged the four cell and it came as a single cell, and the option is in the middle. So this is how merge and center option will available. And let's move on to the top alignment. So top align, once you click on the option, observe, did you observe the name from the middle has moved on the top? If we want to extend this column, just click on the corner of the E column and drag it. So the column width will change. So this is how we are changing the column width. And let's move on the middle align. If you click on the middle align, it will go to the middle. If we click on the bottom align, it will go to the bottom. So top options will always move the character to a vertical wise. So it will go on top, middle and the bottom. And the second one is we have align left, which will align the characters to the left. Middle left, it will go to the middle, and the right align, it will go to the right. So the below options will move the characters within the cell to a horizontal way. So it will move from left to right, and the top options are helpful from top to bottom. So that is the vertical, and the below options will help you with the horizontal one. So that is how we are working on with align. And the next option is numbers. So before that, I missed to work on. So we have an orientation. So how this will work? So we have an option called this. If we give the vertical text, the text will move to the vertical wise. If you move the text to the rotate text, it will rotate. If we want the rotate text to be rotated in an upward, it will rotate in an upward. So this is how we are working. If it want to be name is a person, so it will rotate in. So we have a various kind of options to work on. We have increase intent and decrease intent. Increase intent will help to move the letters to one space backward, and increase intent will help to move the letters or the words or the sentence to one space forward. So that is why we are using the decrease intent and the increase intent. So that's about alignment. And let's move on to the numbers. So numbers, we have options here. So increase decimal, decrease decimal. So increase decimal will helps you to increase the decimal points. Decrease decimal, it helps you to, if we use comma option, like you can see a option called comma style. So this will like it will show the rounded off. So if we have 11, once you click on this, it will show like this. Let's say if we have 98, if we give the comma, it will give you an alignment of 2 decimal. So actually it will automatically give you a 0.2 decimal. So that is the usage of this comma style. And we have a lot more option where we have so once you click on the small arrow button, a pop-up will get appear, that is called as a format cell. So under format cell, we have all the options like numbers, alignment, font, border, fill, protections, all these options are available. So under number, you have a column called currency. So here the simple like that we have the cell. So I'm selecting the cell. Once I click on this option under currency, So here the symbol, you can see, right, the symbol. So here the decimal places will increases by 2 or decreases. Like in how many decimal we need, we can opt for that. I'm opting for 4, like 3 decimals, and the symbol should be, so we have lot of symbols available. Indian rupees, dollar, and sorry, Indian rupees, Americas, and all the countries dollar signs are available. So for example, I'm taking like Indian rupees. Once I click on OK button, as you can see, rupees 10.00 has been added. The number decimal and the currency is also added. So that is how we are working on the numbers and the symbols of that currency. And let's say we'll have a date format. I'll show you date format. So date is like, for example, I'm giving 19/01/2023. So this is DDMMYY format. So we can change the date format as well. So once you click on the small icon, the format cell pop-up will get appear. So here it default, it has selected the date option, and we have multiple types. So we have DDMMYY format, and we have 14 March 2012, and we have all these kind of default formatting. So let's say I want this format. So once I select that, and if I click on OK, the format will change. So whatever format we need, we can change. So for like the dates, we can select the options like by weekends as well. So that's it for this today video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.